Hello, this is Sydney Beach Digger. Today we'll be looking at a nifty little gadget. It's a knife. It's more than a knife, but Trade Pro actually made this. And look at the stitching on this. Absolutely fantastic. Nice little holder. It's got a nice, very sturdy leather pouch to hold this utility knife in. It's very well made, as you can see by the finish. I've had this for a couple of years. It works extremely fine. Okay, let's open up and have a look. It's got a nice clip that actually has not worked loose or rusted or anything like that. I'm very impressed with the pouch work. It's very good, and the contents are even better. It's got a nice finish on it, nice handle, very nice grip. Now it's got a release button here, so you press that, and first of all we'll have a look at the utility knife. Now it takes a standard blade. It's got 3 slots here. It's got an actual thumb release unit here. You can actually use your thumb to actually flick it open, so you're not touching the actual blade. Now what I really like about this one is the fact that when you push this piece down, what happens is it actually releases the blade, which is excellent. It's a locking, some sort of locking device. It's obviously spring loaded. It's knurled, so you can actually feel where it is. You can push it down and just change it very quickly. It's very thick, as you can see. It's all stainless construction. It's got some very nice screws in there that hold everything together in place, and this has got absolutely no play. Brilliant. Now to push that one back in, you push the release button and close it. It is that simple. Out of the way. Now let's have a look on the other side. Click. Out comes the blade. Very nice blade. It is very sharp. It's ground. It's got an edge on the top as well, along here, and it's got a slot here. I'm not sure what the reason for that is, but as you can see, the blade goes to a very sharp point. I've cut leather with this, I've cut plastic, I've cut shaven bits of timber off, and look at the quality and the condition of the blade even after a couple of years of use. Very impressive. That's both of them out. Utility knife, which is handy. Some things you could probably use a utility knife, other things you'd use the actual blade, which is extremely handy having both in one unit as such. I like the timber work, and look how solid that is. That is all layered, but it's very solid, the construction of it, and even underneath the whole thing is made very nicely. So lock that, press the pin and lock that. It is that easy. It's so nice to have a good tool that's not very expensive to own, and just make sure that nobody pinches it off you, because once you see how nice this is, you'll keep it close to yourself. So yeah, this is Sydney Beach Digger. Please subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye, over and out. Bye.